Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, when did my skin start looking tired? Or maybe your joints feel a little stiffer than they used to. If so, you're not alone, and you're definitely not powerless. What if I told you that the secret to smoother skin, stronger joints, and even better energy might already be in your kitchen? In this video, we're diving deep into the real science behind collagen, what it is, why it matters after 40, and the everyday foods that can help your body rebuild it naturally. We'll also compare supplements versus real food, and I'll share simple lifestyle habits that protect your collagen from breaking down too fast. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also give you a personal story and one lesson I've learned after 30 years in medicine that just might change how you age, starting today. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is often referred to as liquid collagen for good reason. When you slowly simmer animal bones, whether chicken, beef, or fish, for hours, it releases a rich combination of collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and vital minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. This makes bone broth one of the most bioavailable, easily absorbed sources of natural collagen you can introduce into your diet. Unlike synthetic supplements, bone broth delivers a complete nutritional package that supports not just your skin's elasticity and joint flexibility, but also strengthens your gut lining, a critical but often overlooked factor in overall collagen health. I recall a patient named Bill, a lively 64-year-old retiree. After dealing with persistent hand stiffness during the colder months, Bill began drinking a cup of homemade chicken bone broth each morning. Within 2 months, he reported not only reduced joint discomfort but also noticed that his skin felt more hydrated and resilient. It wasn't magic, it was consistent nourishment. Bone broth is more than just a comforting soup base. It is a daily practice that feeds your body from the inside out. If you are looking for a natural, cost-effective way to boost your collagen, a pot of simmering broth on your stove is a smart place to start. 2. Fish and shellfish. When it comes to boosting your body's collagen naturally, fish and shellfish are absolute standouts. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna are packed with both collagen and omega-3 fatty acids. Most of the collagen is concentrated in the skin, bones, and connective tissues, parts we often discard but are goldmines of anti-aging nutrients. What makes marine collagen especially valuable is its high bioavailability. Fish collagen peptides are smaller in molecular size, making them easier for the human body to absorb and use. That means faster results for your skin, joints, and even hair. I once worked with a client named Karen, 61, who had struggled with dry, thinning skin and stiff knees. I encouraged her to incorporate sardines, skin and bones included, into her meals twice a week. Within 3 months, she noticed her complexion looked smoother and her joint stiffness had dramatically eased. Shellfish like shrimp, oysters, and crab add another dimension. They're rich in zinc, a mineral essential for collagen synthesis and skin repair. Oysters in particular offer the perfect blend of collagen-building nutrients, healthy fats, and protein. Whether grilled, baked, or added to soups, fish and shellfish provide a delicious, low-calorie way to feed your collagen naturally while also supporting heart and brain health. 3. Chicken. Chicken might be one of the most common proteins on American dinner tables, but few people realize just how powerful it is when it comes to collagen support. The parts we often overlook, such as the skin, bones, and especially the cartilage, are rich in type 2 collagen, the kind most effective for supporting joints and connective tissues. Many collagen supplements on the market today are actually derived from chicken sternum cartilage. But instead of turning to powders or capsules, you can get similar benefits straight from a homemade chicken stew, slow-cooked whole chicken, or even traditional dishes using chicken feet. I remember one patient, Diane, 59, who had recurring joint pain that flared up during her morning walks. We reviewed her diet and decided to add a weekly batch of chicken bone soup, using the whole carcass including skin and feet. After 6 weeks, she reported less stiffness in her knees and more ease during her walks. Chicken also provides glycine and proline, 2 amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. If you're aiming to rebuild your skin's firmness and protect your joints naturally, a well-prepared chicken dish might be one of the most accessible and affordable tools in your collagen-boosting arsenal. 4. Eggs. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses that play a surprisingly important role in collagen production. While eggs themselves don't contain collagen, they supply key amino acids, especially glycine, proline, and lysine, that your body needs to synthesize its own collagen. These amino acids are essential building blocks for maintaining firm skin, strong hair, and flexible joints. The egg whites are particularly rich in proline, while the yolks provide healthy fats, vitamin A, and other skin-supporting nutrients. When eaten whole, eggs offer a balanced, bioavailable source of protein that supports tissue repair and regeneration across your entire body. I recall one client, Martin, a 65-year-old former carpenter, who had started to notice brittle nails, thinning skin, and slower recovery after exercise. Rather than turning to supplements immediately, I encouraged him to start his mornings with 2 whole eggs daily, scrambled, boiled, or poached. Within 2 months, not only did he feel more energetic, but he also commented on how much healthier and stronger his skin and nails looked. Eggs are simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you enjoy them for breakfast or in salads, making them a staple in your diet can go a long way towards supporting your body's natural collagen production without adding unnecessary calories or cost. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and watercress may not contain collagen directly, but they are some of the most powerful allies your body has for producing and preserving it. These vegetables are packed with vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants, all of which are essential for stimulating your body's natural collagen synthesis and protecting it from environmental damage. Vitamin C plays a critical role in the enzymatic process that binds amino acids into collagen fibers. Without enough of it, your body can't produce collagen effectively, no matter how much protein or bone broth you consume. Meanwhile, folate helps with tissue repair and regeneration, while antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene help shield collagen from free radical damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. I once treated a woman named Emily, 60, who had a relatively healthy lifestyle but struggled with dull, tired-looking skin. We added a handful of fresh greens to each of her meals, spinach in her morning omelet, kale in her lunch smoothie, and arugula salads with dinner. In just 6 weeks, her skin took on a fresher glow and felt noticeably more hydrated. Leafy greens are an easy, low-calorie addition that offer tremendous return. Think of them as nature's internal skincare, working silently to rebuild and protect your collagen from the inside out. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are more than just a tasty comfort food. They're a potent ally in your body's quest to build and protect collagen. While they don't contain collagen themselves, they are loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for skin cell regeneration, healing, and the maintenance of collagen integrity. Sweet potatoes also provide a healthy dose of vitamin C, another crucial player in collagen synthesis. Together, these nutrients create a double layer of support, helping your body make more collagen and guarding the collagen you already have from oxidative damage. I once worked with a client named Teresa, 54, who had noticed fine lines deepening around her mouth and forehead. Instead of turning immediately to anti-aging creams, we made a few diet shifts. One of the main changes? Adding roasted sweet potatoes to her dinner 3 times a week. After a couple of months, she noticed her skin tone looked more even, and the lines had softened. This humble root vegetable is also high in fiber and low on the glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar, another hidden culprit in collagen breakdown. Easy to roast, mash, or toss into a salad, sweet potatoes are one of the tastiest ways to invest in your skin's future. 7. Avocado. Avocados have earned their place as a staple in health-conscious kitchens, and for good reason. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, antioxidants, and skin-nourishing vitamins, avocados do more than just taste good. They help protect the collagen you already have and support the conditions your body needs to create more. One of the key nutrients in avocados is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that break down collagen and accelerate skin aging. This protection is especially important if you spend time outdoors, as environmental stressors like UV rays and pollution are known collagen destroyers. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin C and several B vitamins, all of which play a supporting role in collagen synthesis and tissue repair. On top of that, their omega-9 fatty acids keep the skin barrier healthy, improving moisture retention and elasticity. A patient of mine, Joel, 62, was skeptical at first. He didn't consider himself a health nut but was tired of his dry, sagging skin. I had him start by simply adding half an avocado to his lunch each day. A few weeks in, Even his daughter commented on how much brighter and smoother his face looked. If you're looking for a simple, satisfying way to defend and support your collagen, slice up an avocado. You'll be doing your skin and joints a long-term favor. 8. Oysters. Oysters might not be a regular item on everyone's grocery list, but when it comes to supporting collagen, they're one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. These briny little shellfish are rich in zinc, copper, and high-quality protein, all essential elements for your body's natural collagen-building process. Zinc is particularly important. It acts as a cofactor in collagen synthesis, helping enzymes do their job in forming strong, structured collagen fibers. Without adequate zinc, collagen production stalls, and skin begins to show signs of aging faster. Copper plays a supportive role as well, helping with tissue repair and maintaining skin elasticity. I once had a client named Frank, 55, who was an avid sailor and seafood lover. He started adding oysters to his meals once or twice a week, raw, grilled, or in stews. Within a few months, he not only felt more energetic, but also noticed the fine lines around his eyes and mouth had softened. His joints also felt more fluid and less stiff in the mornings. In addition to collagen-boosting minerals, oysters are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help preserve collagen structure. They may be small, but their impact is mighty, especially for those seeking natural, whole food solutions to aging from the inside out. Collagen supplements versus natural food sources. Which should you trust? Collagen supplements are everywhere, from powders and capsules to flavored drinks, promising firmer skin and stronger joints. Many of these products contain hydrolyzed collagen, also called collagen peptides, which are broken down into smaller pieces to make absorption easier. For busy people or those with limited appetites, this seems like an easy fix. But the truth is, collagen on its own isn't enough. Your body also needs cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, copper, and amino acids such as glycine and proline to actually produce and utilize collagen. Without those, a scoop of collagen powder won't do much. That's why real food is more effective. Whole foods like bone broth, salmon, chicken skin, leafy greens, and eggs don't just give you collagen, they give you the full nutritional package your body needs to build and maintain it. These nutrients work together in a way that supplements simply can't replicate. I've seen this firsthand. One of my patients, a 58-year-old woman, had been using marine collagen for nearly a year with little effect. Once we improved her diet, adding daily greens, healthy fats, and protein-rich meals, her skin tone and joint flexibility noticeably improved within weeks. Supplements can be a helpful addition, especially if you're deficient or recovering from illness. But they should never replace a nutrient-rich diet. If you're aiming for long-term results, build your foundation with whole foods. That's where the real, lasting collagen magic begins. Healthy lifestyle habits that support collagen. Eating well is essential, but if your daily habits are working against you, your collagen will still suffer. Over time, I've seen patients who consumed all the right foods yet showed signs of early aging because they overlooked key lifestyle factors. Here are 5 habits that make a real difference. Protect your skin from the sun. UV rays are one of collagen's biggest enemies. Daily sun exposure, especially without sunscreen, breaks down collagen fibers, leading to sagging, spots, and wrinkles. A broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, worn daily, helps preserve skin elasticity. Add hats and sunglasses for extra protection. Get consistent, quality sleep. Collagen is produced and repaired while you sleep. If you're not getting 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night, your skin doesn't get the chance to heal. Keep a consistent bedtime and turn off screens early to support deeper rest. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your skin plump and supports collagen production. Aim for at least 8 cups a day. Add water-rich foods like berries, oranges, and cucumbers to your meals. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking reduces blood flow and damages skin tissue. Excess alcohol dehydrates you and disrupts collagen synthesis. Cutting back can quickly improve your skin's texture and tone. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that degrades collagen over time. Incorporate daily relaxation habits like walking, meditation, or reading to help your body heal and rebuild. A healthy lifestyle doesn't just support your collagen, it amplifies it. Aging is inevitable, but how we age is up to us. Collagen isn't just about smoother skin or fewer wrinkles. It's the foundation for mobility, strength, and confidence as we grow older. The small, consistent choices you make each day, what you eat, how you sleep, how you handle stress, or what shape the years ahead. I've seen men and women in their 50s and 60s turn back the clock simply by respecting what their bodies need. Nourishment, rest, protection, and care. You don't need expensive products or complicated routines. You need real food, mindful habits, and the willingness to prioritize your health. Start with one change. Add bone broth to your week. Walk in the morning. Swap soda for water. With each step, you're not just preserving collagen, you're preserving vitality. Your body is listening. What you do today becomes how you live tomorrow.